Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to replace the General Electronic Module, or GEM, in your Ford F-150. This is a common repair that many truck owners face. First, for your safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. You will need a few basic tools, like a ratchet with 10mm and 7mm sockets, along with some Torx bits. Let's get started and make this repair straightforward for you. Now, let's find that GEM module. It's usually tucked away behind the interior fuse box on the driver's side of your truck. You'll need to carefully remove the lower dash trim panels and the steering column cover to gain access. Once those are out, you'll see the fuse box. There are typically two large electrical harnesses connected to the back. Unbolt and disconnect these using a 10mm socket. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or wires. With the fuse box accessible, you can now separate the GEM module. It's usually held in place by 3 Torx screws, often T20 size. Once unscrewed, gently pull the old module away. Take a moment to inspect the old module and its connectors for any signs of water intrusion or corrosion, which is a common cause of failure. Then, carefully align your new GEM module and secure it to the back of the fuse panel with those 3 screws. Almost done. Now, reconnect all the electrical harnesses to the fuse box, ensuring they are firmly seated and bolted down. Then, reassemble all the interior trim panels you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your negative battery terminal. Turn on your truck and thoroughly test all electrical functions, like windows, wipers, and interior lights. Keep in mind, a brand new GEM module might need professional programming by a Ford dealership to fully integrate with your truck systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.